how to give admin access to someone on your Facebook page. So you can follow this step in your Facebook mobile application. So you need to simply launch it and then log in into your account. Afterwards, tap on your profile icon in the top right hand corner and select that particular page which you want to switch and get the admin access settings. So after switching on it, as you can see, I'm currently using my page profile and previously I was using my personal profile. Now tap on the three lines again and select the option of settings. In your settings, in order to get access to the page access option quickly, you need to use the search bar in the top and search for page access. So this is the option that we are working with. So after tapping on page access, right next to people with Facebook access, you need to tap on the add new option. Then you need to tap on the next option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here, you need to search for that particular person by their email address, their username or their name whom you want to give access to your Facebook page or to your Facebook account. Let's say I'm going to be searching for this particular person and this is the person that I want to select. After selecting it, you will see the option of give access and you can also allow this person the full control. So after selecting it, you will have two options like giving full control of your page, like making that person the admin of your page, and the second one is the partial access, like you can use it for editor and moderator. So tap on the give access with full control and then you need to confirm your decision by entering your password. The person will get a notification and once they accept the invite that you sent, they will full admin access of your page. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.